Let's take a look at the weather across the valley now. As you take a peek at it, temperatures at this hour still relatively mild. We're 71 in Edinburg, 73 in McAllen. The rest of the valley has cooled into the 60s. The temperatures in the upper valley actually reached the 80s earlier today. Other places didn't just barely get out of the 60s. Now overnight tonight, look at this. Readings go nowhere. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at right around 70 or so. 71 at the beach, 68 out west. As we go through the daytime tomorrow, it kind of holds steady at the island, but everybody else warms into the 80s, everybody except Brownsville. 84 in Rio Grande City, 81 in Weslaco and Harlingen. So a very warm day across the area. Going into Saturday morning now, this is Christmas Eve, and Christmas Eve, our low temperatures will be about what our normal high temperature should be, 70 to 72 across the region. And by afternoon, everybody's into the 80s, with readings as high as 86 in Rio Grande City, about 82 Raymondville, about 73 degrees at the beach. Always cooler there by day and a little bit warmer by night. Christmas morning, we start at 70, and here we go again, right back in the 80s again. We just don't see anything cool coming this way anytime soon. Again, the average high for this time of year is 71, and we're going to be above that at 83, 82, and 84. Records are all up closer to 90. Don't think we'll get there, but certainly we will be above average for the middle to latter part of December. Clouds were thick for a while. They broke in some places today, allowing the sun to warm temperatures quite a bit. As we take a look, our front is actually down to the south. It turns around and moves back to the north as a warm front late tonight, early tomorrow. So that really allows those temperatures to warm up. And it looks like the next few days there's nothing to change that. A front will get close on Monday, but between now and then it's just a mix of clouds and sun with warm afternoon highs and very mild nighttime lows. And again, the next front due on Monday, and it probably won't go through. It'll stall. Maybe trigger a couple of showers, nothing more than that. So we're dry through the holiday weekend. I zoomed this map out a little bit to show you not just here but the whole nation, because the next couple of days are going to get quite active. You see pretty good snowstorm going across the upper Midwest tomorrow afternoon from Omaha up to Minneapolis. It stays north, but then the bigger storm comes in on Sunday. It forms in the Rockies and then moves to the northeast, and we're looking at severe weather in the Central Plains. You're looking at an ice storm from Minneapolis back to parts of the Dakotas, and then blizzard-like conditions in parts of the western Dakotas, eastern Montana. That's Christmas Day. It is going to get messy across the middle part of the nation. Temperatures across Texas, chilly in the north, 35 in Amarillo, 49 in Dallas, 62 in Austin, 64 right now in San Antonio. So tonight, 65 for a low, mainly cloudy, just patchy fog. Then tomorrow back to 83, some clouds in the morning, some afternoon sunshine, southeasterly winds, southeasterly winds at 10 to 15. Sunday, Christmas Day, 84, looks like a very warm holiday. Monday, just as warm, maybe even warmer, but that old front dies right on top of us. Could trigger a shower or thunderstorm, and then next week we stay warm until maybe a front actually gets close enough to push through on Thursday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.